So hey guys, welcome to Last Moment Tuitions English channel. My name is Sumer Singh Rajpurohit and in today's video I will teach you how to get access of Google Career Certificate courses for free. So as you know, Google have launched a new program called Google Career Certificate where the people who wants to upskill themselves, make themselves job ready, Google are providing courses to them. But as you can see, those courses are paid. So how to get those courses for free? And once you completed this course, you will get a certificate also. So how to get the certificate for free, I will explain you in this video. So I have divided this video into two parts. In first video, I will explain you what is Google Career Certificate course and what are the qualities of it. In second, I will explain you how to get it for free. So let's start part one. So Google have launched a Google Career Certificate in which Google are providing many courses for people who wants to upskill themselves. So there are courses like IT automation with Python programming, data analytics, UI designing, IT supports, and project management. So and these are the courses which will make yourself future ready. You got me? What are the qualities of the courses? The best quality of these courses are beginners friendly. So if you have not much education, if you don't have a degree, that's totally fine. Still you can take this course. This is the first thing. Secondly, they are self-paced courses. Means you don't have to attend at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. at this time. No, you can learn at your own time. The third thing is after completion of this course, you will be at least that much ready that you can apply for jobs. And the fourth thing is they will provide you Google certificate. And there is huge value of Google certificate. After completing the course, you can go and apply to a lot of places with that certificate. That certificate will open doors for a lot of opportunities for you. You got me? And anybody can do it. Okay, so this is the part one. Now let's get into how to get those courses for free. So what you have to do to access those courses for free, I have provided a link in the description. Once you get into the link, it will be something like grow.google. You will go to this website. What you have to do, you have to go down and here you can see the courses: data analytics, IT support, IT automation, UI designing, and project management. And let me tell you and let me explain you how to get these courses for free. So what you have to do, you have to click on sign up on Coursera. So it will be directly redirected to you on Coursera website. It's a collaboration between Google and Coursera. So Google are providing the courses and they are hosted on Coursera. I have just signed up on Coursera and signing up is free. As you can see, I have signed up on the Coursera. You can sign up first and then if you have to access the courses, if you are going on enroll, then they are asking you money, but we don't have money. We are just student, but we want to learn. You don't have to click here. Now there are two options. Either you can learn and you won't get certificate. Suppose you have a mindset of, okay, certificate don't matter to me. I just want to learn. I want to upskill myself. You got me? So you can go either on this path, and there is another path which I will explain you the process where you can also get the certificate. So let me explain you the first path without certificate, how you can get the courses at now, currently. So what you have to do, you have to go down. So this is the big course. Project management is a big course. In this course, there are small courses. Okay, as you can see, there are 6 courses. So to get those courses at this moment, what you have to do, you have to click on the first part. As you have clicked on this part, you have to go down. Okay, here we are. What you have to do, you have to click on enroll for free. Once you have clicked on enroll for free, you can click on audit. Okay, so if you have clicked on audit, you can now directly watch the videos. You can go to on week 1. You get so nervous now when you create the videos. That's totally fine. So now you can watch the videos and start learning. So this is the first path. But if I like, no Sumer, I also want the certificate, and you promise me you will show me the way to get the certificate also. If I have promised you, I will show you the way. Let's get into how to get the certificate. So again, I'm going to project management course, but I want certificate this time. So what you have to do, you don't have to click here. You have to click here, financial aid available. Continue to the application. They are asking you that, okay, I agree to the terms and above. You have to read those terms. You are just telling them that I want to upskill myself, but I can't afford your course. I can't pay the money. Can you please give me the course for free? And now you have to fill here the options. So what is the education background? What is your annual income? Currently, if you are a student, you don't have money, you can type 0. You have to type 0 only if you want. What are you? You are currently students. How much can you afford to pay? Sir, I can't afford to pay, but I want to learn. So now there are 3 options. why you are applying for financial aid, how this course will help you to boost your career, achieve your goals, and can you pay through loan, and you have to say no. So you have to give reason why no. And here, if you are like, Sumer, I don't know how to fill this, here you have to put that why you want this course and how this course will help you and why can't you pay for the course. But we don't know how to write the story. No problem. In the description I have given a link where I have given 3 sample answers for this, so you can go and get those, put those sample answers. But I am just recommending you that don't copy as it is. You have to put your own story in it. Just take a look at how to write those answers, then put your stories. Within 15 days your application will be accepted, and within 15 days 99% people get access to the course. Almost everyone get access to the course. You will get the email and you will get certificate also. So now go and start learning and start applying for for the jobs also. Thank you so much for watching this video. For similar more updates and similar more videos, do subscribe the channel. This is my first English video. I am getting stuck at many places, but if you won't try, if you won't start, you won't move forward. So thank you so much for listening to me, and have a nice day.